So what I'd like to discuss now is an overview of the consciousness, the science of consciousness, specifically as it applies to training in meditation and the phases of development for remote viewing and doing the coherent thought sequencing, so that you have a very clear understanding of it. Before we do the puja, what is that orange object? Look how beautiful!
Whoa!
Oh my God!
Whoa! Just don't pop
stand
too
up,
much,
please. Crouch down and look, because you'll block our cameras.
Wow!
Those behind me may move and stand up, because. Okay, that you see that color?
Yeah. That's not a plane.
No. Oh no.
No, that's a
So
ship.
let's thank them for coming.
Wow, and it's above the sea
Please
level.
turn off your night scope, Charles. Off.
Another light coming off right now.
Someone's infrared or whatever.
Yeah, that's Charles.
Oh, whoa!
Oh, here they come. There are two.
Whoever's right in the front, if you can kind of just stay low, because your
Stay low.
head is right.
You can get on your knees in front
Yeah.
of it, Chi. Look at this, how gorgeous.
Oh my goodness!
Okay, so I'm looking with the night scopes. There's no smoke, there's no trails. These are not flares. And
Oh my
okay,
goodness!
let's welcome them here.
Oh, they're so
They're-
beautiful.
They were waiting for us to arrive.
Whoa!
Jacques, please photograph.
Yeah,
All
yeah.
cameras should be filming. So connect to them in your consciousness and invite them here. These are the golden ones I talked about. See how gold?
Yeah.
Because the horizon is only 7 to 10 miles depending on the conditions. So it's probably a couple miles. Everybody see
Wow.
them?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're so beautiful.
Let's welcome their beings on board to join us in meditation. That is such a beautiful color, so you'll never forget that color. Yeah, this is a major event. So we are grateful. So open your heart chakra and send them the beauty of humanity. And if you can see what I'm doing, you connect with your palms out like this, and your third eye and your heart, making like a tetrahedron radiating our pureness and love towards them. They emerge from the sky, but they're very, very close to the ocean. They're just hovering. They're not...
Whoever's just right in front of the yellow kind of blue jacket, your head's... No, yeah, you just kind of went to go down. Okay, you know what, I'm gonna move.
We should be filming.
I am filming, but just trying to avoid...
Those in front, if you can get on your knees or sit on the ground and look in front of your chairs, but stay low. Thank you.
Just gonna reposition.
You need a higher tripod.
No, I can bring it high, I just don't want to...
Well, don't wait, or you're going to lose it. Just
Yeah,
stay.
yeah,
Just
yeah,
keep
yeah.
with it. There's no time for that. Okay, that's clear air. It just sort of vanished, the one on the right. They've stayed pretty much the same altitude, though.
Wow.
Let's invite them to come as close as they can.
Safely.
I need a time mark. Cam, time?
9:15.
9:15. So the mark time.
9:15.
9:15.
Oh, that's gone into the ocean. See what it did? Okay, there is still an object there. Very faint, I can see with the night scope. Right here.
Yeah, that's where... recording.
Now, the way that you know that that's not like something like a flare. First of all, there's no... It didn't shoot up and then come down and didn't drop from it. And the first thing that has to be understood is the nature of awareness. So awareness is, as you're all listening to my voice, take just a moment to watch yourself listening. So as I'm speaking, just look at how it is that you're awake listening and hearing my voice. What is that? You're conscious. You're awake. Okay, now subtract my voice, what you're seeing with your eyes, your thoughts, your perception of your body, your perception of your ego, your individuality. There's still awareness there. That's all it is. That's all it is. It's very zen. So you're awake, and it's really about becoming aware of awareness. Aircraft there. Not far, because the horizon's only 7 to 10 miles depending on the conditions. So it's probably a couple miles. Everybody see them?
Yeah.
Let's welcome their. That is such a beautiful color, so you'll never forget that color. Yeah, this is a major event. So we are grateful. So open your heart chakra and send them the beauty of humanity. And if you can see what I'm doing, you connect with your palms out like this, and your third eye and your heart, making like a tetrahedron radiating our pureness and love towards them. They emerge from the sky, but they're very, very close to the ocean. They're just hovering. They're not.
Whoever's just right in front of the yellow kind of blue jacket, your heads.
Is that me?
No, yeah, you just kind of have to go down. Okay, hold on.
You should be filming.
I am.
Those in front, if you can get on your knees or sit on the ground and look in front of your chairs, stay low. Thank you. Well, don't wait.
One go away?
No, they got together.
Did they?
They went together.
I was looking
Okay,
at my
that's
thing.
clear air. It just sort of vanished, the one on the right.
He's coming. I got a feeling he's moving in.
Cool.
They stayed pretty much the same altitude. So
Pretty
let's
orange.
invite them to come as close as they can. I need a time mark. Time 9:15. So the mark time.
I'm losing it.
Oh, that's gone into the ocean. See what it did?
You serious?
Okay,
Wow.
there's still an object there. Very. With the mind becoming, as it were, pure and clear and empty of any distractions. And so then you're just there immersed in quiet mind without the perceptions of discrete objects of perception, whether it be thoughts, self, material, body, sounds, any of it. Now, all meditation techniques, if they are effective, are intended to allow the practitioner to experience the state of being awake within pure awareness without any perception of a relative, discrete perception, meaning you're only aware of awareness and nothing else.
We stand in Indian River County asking the ancient astronaut theorists, what in the bloody heck is this over the ocean? Only time will tell.
You're lucky. got a tape recorder sitting here by a radio whenever you're ready. We'll keep her running. If it starts up again, just key up and then record a little bit of it. Just didn't want you to think we all are screw loose. Down, water. All go to bed. TS, all it is now is just an orange glow. That's all I can see. That's all you can see from that? You guys still watching on the other side of the river there? Yes, sir. Just an orange glow. Where did it go to? Up to the river or what? The sun is coming up. Better not be. It's awful early. Awful early for the sun paper, Joe. I don't think the sun would just be in that one spot. I'm at the glow, which we can see now looks like the breaking of the sun. Oh, yeah, right. Okay, I'm going to be 10-7. I'm going into Jay's here. Chicken. I don't know, I'm chicken or just smart. The latter, you're probably a lot smarter than we are there, kid. Okay, we'll catch you later. I think it's moving out, you guys. Oh, we'll watch it. We moved up to a higher vantage point, so you tell us what it does. Well, listen. It's revving up its engines. Can you hear it? I hope. Because it's sure cold out here. Taping this, you guys. Yes, we are. Sounds like to me a power plant diesel motor and a screeching noise in between it there.